Hey there! Are you ready to discover 10 amazing ways to make money online? Stick around till the end to find out how you can start earning from the comfort of your own home. Let's dive in. Category 1, freelancing. First up, we have freelancing. If you have skills like writing, graphic design, web development, or digital marketing, you can offer your services on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. It's a fantastic way to turn your talents into cash. Category 2, selling products. Next, let's talk about selling products online. Whether it's handmade crafts, vintage items, or digital downloads, platforms like Etsy, eBay, and Shopify provide a global marketplace for your products. Get creative and start making money from your passions. Category 3, affiliate marketing. Now, let's dive into affiliate marketing. By promoting products or services through affiliate links, you can earn a commission for every sale or referral. Join affiliate programs on platforms like Amazon Associates or ClickBank and start monetizing your website or social media channels today. Category 4, online courses. Moving on to online courses. If you're knowledgeable about a particular topic, consider creating and selling online courses. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Coursera provide a platform for reaching a global audience and sharing your expertise with the world. It's a win-win. Category 5, blogging and content creation. Let's talk about blogging and content creation. If you have a passion for writing, creating videos, or podcasting, you can monetize your content through advertising, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Start sharing your knowledge and experiences with the world and watch the money roll in. Category 6, virtual assistants. Now onto virtual assistants. If you're organized, detail-oriented, and good at multitasking, virtual assistants might be the perfect gig for you. Offer your services on platforms like Upwork or Zirtual and help busy professionals with tasks like email management, scheduling, and social media. Category 7, stock photography and videography. If you have a knack for photography or videography, consider selling your work online. Platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Getty Images allow you to upload and sell your photos and videos to customers worldwide. It's a great way to turn your passion into profit. Category 8, print on demand. Moving on to print on demand. With print-on-demand services like Printful or Teespring, you can create custom-designed merchandise without any upfront costs. Design your products, set up your online store, and start selling t-shirts, mugs, and more to your audience. The possibilities are endless. Category 9, dropshipping. Now let's talk about dropshipping. With dropshipping, you can sell products to customers without ever holding inventory. Partner with suppliers, set up your online store using platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce, and start selling products to customers worldwide. It's a low-risk way to start your own e-commerce business. Category 10, online tutoring and coaching. Last but not least, online tutoring and coaching. If you're knowledgeable about a particular subject or skill, consider offering tutoring or coaching services online. Platforms like Tutor.com or Coach.me connect tutors and coaches with students seeking personalized instruction. Share your expertise and help others succeed. And there you have it, 10 awesome ways to make money online. Whether you're a freelancer, a content creator, or an aspiring entrepreneur, there's something for everyone in the world of online earning. So what are you waiting for? Start exploring these opportunities today and turn your dreams into reality. Thanks for watching.